Right, it's time to leave the United Kingdom and head back home.
Yeah, it's been an awesome trip. We spent the past couple of days with family. We're just outside of Manchester and we'll be heading now to Hull to get the ferry from Hull to Rotterdam.
That's right, we don't have so much spare time this afternoon, so we will be jumping on the motorway. Jumping on the M62 and heading in the direction of Leeds, but then we'll just drop into Hull. I think we need to be there by around about 6 o'clock. So we're actually ahead of schedule at the moment, which is nice for a change.
Which never happens when we're trying to get a ferry, ever. So
it is.
We're probably going to have like a puncture now.
Yeah, maybe. There is one thing we didn't do, and that's we didn't manage to get you an England patch.
No, we tried, and my family tried, but nobody succeeded in finding one, which is kind of interesting, really.
Yeah, I'm still optimistic. You might find one on the ferry, but let's join this 4-lane motorway and enjoy the M62 for the next couple of hours. It's amazing how busy these roads are.
We don't have very many 4-lane motorways in Switzerland or in Europe, really.
No, we don't, do we? But yeah, the veins of this country have got a lot of cars on them.
So we have an hour and a half now till we get to the ferry terminal. At least it's not raining.
No, that's good, isn't it? We are finishing the trip in exactly the same way as we started. But yeah, 1 day of rain out of, what was it, 25 days of it? That's not bad. I'll settle for that.
We're currently on the highest motorway in all of England. I think we're going through the Peak District again.
Yeah, and there's a gigantic sign just to let you know that you're on the highest motorway. How does it feel, to be on the highest motorway in England?
Quite pleasant.
Radford's only 12 miles away. Do you want to pop in?
Nope.
No, you're right.
Hard pass.
I have to say, it is a little bit stressful riding on these roads. It seems like a lot of the people are changing lanes very sporadically and getting up right up other people's bumpers. I'll be glad when we get to Hull.
Yeah, me too. Like even this guy.
Yeah, just put his foot on it to close that gap.
I want to be on that road over there, going through the fields and the hills, not on this, but it's a necessary evil.
Yeah, it's going to be a horrible transit day tomorrow as well. But at least tomorrow I think the motorway will be clear. That run back to Basel is usually clear on a Sunday.
Well, I don't think we'll make this ferry after all.
Well, we're a bit early, but there's our little bit of our early time gone. Looks like a big truck that's got another truck on the back of it. It's not a bin lorry, is it? Is it a bin lorry?
It might be a bin lorry.
Well, it's very much on fire, so I don't know how long it's going to take them to get that under control.
It doesn't look like there's a big fire brigade here yet, though.
No, there's a couple of people, isn't there? But as you say, I don't see any fire engines.
No.
But then there is a slip road there, so perhaps they've come on that way.
We didn't vlog what we just did because it was extremely illegal.
What? We mean what we may or may not have done,
What?
You mean we didn't vlog what we may or may not have just done there? But the lane was very much closed. And we found another way out. And we're free again. Right, after what was a seemingly eventful journey, we've arrived in Hull. It's raining, it's dark, and it's pretty miserable. But it looks like we've made it on time. We've got about 20 minutes to spare before final check-in. And I think the ferry is just over there on the right arm. I've been here a few times on this ferry. I think you have as well, haven't you? Have we done
just
this one?
Just once after our wedding.
Oh, okay, yeah, we took this one, didn't we? That's right. Seems to be the same as it was last time, although that huge underpass they're building is quite a big undertaking.
Yeah.
But looking forward to getting into this cabin, as it's getting a bit chilly.
It's just all round a bit miserable, isn't it, today? The weather is just damp enough to annoy you, but not wet enough to completely be miserable.
Right, here we are. There we go, in Rotterdam. 1, 2, 3, third exit.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, yep, Terminal 1. I can't remember if we're with P&O or Stella Lines. It must be P&O, I guess. I think it's only P&O from here.
Yeah.
There might be quite a few people that have missed this ferry with the M62 being gridlocked like that.
Yeah. We would not have made it in a car.
No, I think if we'd been in a car, we would have missed that ferry. So it just affirms that we do have a little bit more flexibility with the bike and a bit more freedom. Looks like they're starting to load the trucks already. It's not windy though, so we might get a nice calm crossing.
We can be hopeful.
It's quiet. I think last time I came there was like queues all up here.
Yeah. It seems eerily quiet. Have they cancelled it?
Yeah, without letting us know.
Bikes only. That's nice.
Well, that's nice, isn't it? I'm not sure the passports are in the side pouch, Em, or are they in the back?
No, they're in the side pouch.
Oh, that's great. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay, thanks. Are you?
Yeah, very good, thanks. Yeah, just about made it today. There was a lorry on fire on the M62, so there might be this afternoon. Yeah, there might be a few people missing this because it was gridlocked. It was about
Just past Leeds.
yeah.
Yeah, but like quite a bit past Leeds, but on that route. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Em.
Straight ahead and you'll be direct.
Super. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. You ready, Em?
Yeah, I'm ready. Bye. Have a great day.
Bye. Oh, that was nice, wasn't it? Having a dedicated bike lane.
Yeah, got a stop. Thank you.
And on we go. Thank you.
Thank you. These poor ladies need a waterproof jacket.
Go on.
Getting soaked.
Are we the last ones on it?
Cool.
It is, isn't
Either
it?
the last one's on or the first, and I'm not sure which one.
I'm thinking last because I can't see anybody. This is becoming a habit now. I mean, we tried our best to leave early this time, didn't we?
Okay.
I don't know
she
what
said
lane was
number
it.
1, didn't she? There we go.
That's nice of them to let us on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's
Really
going on.
understand.
Are they that full?
Maybe. Well, it's been another successful trip.
It has, hasn't it? I can't believe how fast it's gone. It's been a lot of fun. It's time to go home.
Straight down here. Hi.
Wow, it is chocker.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Whoa, it's slippy.
Nice and steady. Do you want me to hop off, or are you happy?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
They are. The floor is wet and it is extremely slippy.
You gonna move that cone? Space on the right side. At least we're not banging our heads on this one. Here is okay. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wow, we are very late, I can't believe how chocker it is in here.
Can we just have one ferry experience where I am not stressed out of my little head?
I know.
would really appreciate it. It would be great. I would love it. It would be
I know,
fantastic.
it is, yeah. I think it was the right decision to be a little bit naughty on the motorway back there, as we wouldn't have made it, would we?
Well, the only good thing is that we're not like rushing to get a table or anything because we've got a cabin. So, because
Yeah,
otherwise we'd probably
that's
be
nice.
sat on the floor overnight. That's the other thing, isn't it?
That's good, isn't it?
Shadow is strapped up to the best of our ability.
Yeah, there's still a lot of movement. It's quite odd, you're strapping it to a strap on the floor.
Yeah.
But
Nevertheless.
everyone else seems to have done the same, so it is what it is.
Busiest ferry we've been on? Maybe.
It is, isn't it? It's packed. Absolutely packed.
Our cabin is deck 8 and it's number 8,129.
I don't think that's how many cabins there is, but it's 6:30. It's going... No, it's still got 2 hours till it departs.
You wouldn't think it the way you're
No.
acting.
No, with the way the amount of people are on it, wouldn't you?
It's crazy. Cabins? I see duty free though. And the giant queue for the restaurant. Do you want to party with P&O tonight, Sean?
I don't think so. I don't think... well, we went to see Rick Wakeman last night, so it's a hard act to follow.
It is. We found it. 8,129.
More success than last time. Works.
Impressed.
It's a bit more cosy than the last one we had.
Oh, so it's bunk.
Yeah, they don't do... Yeah, they're all bunks, aren't they?
Yeah, but there's normally two either side.
Yeah, we
we
get
have.
a room for 4, don't we?
Yeah.
But I think this one's a little bit more economical in that they have the bunks.
Okay. And no porthole, which means no rope bashing on our window
That's
for
good, yeah.
2 hours. Can you get my bed down, or do we have to ask someone?
No, I think just pull it down.
Ooh.
We're smooth, isn't it?
So it looks like this boat is massive. It actually has like 4 main entertainment decks, and each one of them's got loads of bars and shops and restaurants. So we're just having a little wander around now.
I thought you'd had enough on the bike for today,
This is my size, my kind of bike. This.
I think you were a bit disappointed last time you couldn't have a go at these.
I did. I actually specifically bought change. You don't have to throw it into the corners, you know.
The concentration levels are immense here.
It's a lot more fun than it looks. And I won the last one.
You did. You beat that little girl that was next to you. And you felt proud of yourself.
I am actually.
Well, I can see why I did the right thing.
It's harder than it looks.
You're going to break that boost bottom.
I'm only halfway through. I've still got
You've got to
another
win
3
this. You
laps.
get another go. If you lose, that's it. You're finished now. We can maybe go.
You're not going to lend me another pound?
Absolutely not, no.
I'm still in 6th.
Well, you've got your boots on, haven't you? So you already are. That's an advantage over the other person.
Well, I don't know if you're supposed to use your feet.
No, you're on a snowmobile, aren't you?
Yeah. Still in 6th.
Oh, that was rubbish, Em.
It was harder, that one. It was really hard.
Right, we're going to go see some of this boat, or...
Do you do a lap and come back?
And you're going to spend about 50 quid on this little game. Right, we've got our cabin sorted. Em's had a couple of laps on the game, so you're happy.
It was quite fun. It was more difficult than I thought.
It wasn't it? We tried to do another game, but it swallowed our pound, so I'm a bit peeved about that.
Yeah, a little bit.
Not to worry. We're saying one last look at the UK, because I think we're going to depart shortly. I think we've exhausted the good weather as well, because it's a bit miserable at the moment.
Yeah, we're on the Pride of Hull, and it's the overnight ferry that we're taking from Hull to Rotterdam, and then we'll be blasting back to Basel from there. So
yeah, I think it's quite good because I think it docks about 7 a.m. tomorrow, which is pretty early. So we'll get a nice early start, which is a good thing, because if you're in a hotel, you might be tempted just to sleep in a little bit.
Yeah.
So if all goes well, we should be back in Basel for about 11 p.m. Do you think about that in the afternoon?
11 p.m.
Yeah, in the afternoon.
Should we get at 7?
Not 11, 3. I went 3. It's been a long day.
It's been a really long day. It really has. It's actually been a really long few days, and I am honestly really glad to be heading back home for a little while, because it's been highs and lows this trip. Scotland, Ireland, Wales, then let everything down. I was so disappointed with our weather in Wales.
Yeah, the last
it was
day.
So
North Wales was a disappointment, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But it was fun.
Oh, it was so much
But
fun.
We definitely need to go back and capture the scenery a little bit more.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. But do you fancy a drink?
I do, yeah. Your face when I said 11 instead of 3 was quite funny.
I think it meant 11 p.m.
That's a long day. Well, yeah. So I think we're going to go back into the boat now, because we're getting a little bit wet out here. And yeah, maybe get a drink, and then
Head to bed.
Yeah, we've got dinner in the cabin, haven't we, already? So we don't
the
need to go.
queues here for getting your dinner are out the door, down the corridor, and into like the next restaurant. They are insane. I think it's around $13.99 for the buffet,
Which is really good.
which is quite good. And they also are $9.95 for a cocktail. That's the other like prices that are going off any standard prices. But
I've used this ferry quite a few times in the past, and the restaurant here is actually really good, and the breakfast is also very good here.
so let's head in. I need a drink.
It's coming up to 10 o'clock now, and the entertainment is still going on in there. It's a little bit close to our cabin, but I don't think we can hear it from the inside. I've just gone to grab a bottle of water at the price of £2.45, as we forgot to bring some. But we're going to go and head to sleep now, and tomorrow we're actually docking at 9 o'clock, so we're going to get a decent night's sleep tonight. So that's good night from us, and we'll see you in the morning as we head on home and ride all the way to Basel.